pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. It is so nice to meet you. I do hope you will stay, take a chance on this channel, watch this video, and think about subscribing. So, and if you're returning, you guys know I love you so very much. I have the box by Fashionsta today. It is the $25 a month box. They actually now have rewards. I haven't used any yet, so I'm not really sure how that works yet, but you pay $25 for this, and you get, I think it's 6 full-size products? I don't remember, but we're going to go through it and I'll let you know. Alright, so this is what she looked like. And she's got a lot of black squigglies. It always comes like that. Sometimes your products come a little bit dirty because of the black things. There is always a card, and on it has the products and their value and a little bit about each product. Let's just see what we got here. Ooh, what we got? Lately, they've been sending like palettes that I actually would use. So I'm kind of excited about that. I had to stop and go get coffee because I have a lot to do today. A lot of content that I'm working on to put out for you guys. And I went to Starbucks and my dad picked me up and he took me and he had this post-it in his console and it said get ammo on it. Now my dad has a lot of guns. He's kept them for years. They've been in the family, they've been passed down, all that, and he does do shooting practice, you know. He doesn't hunt or anything like that, but he does do shooting. And I'm going, that's the only thing that's on your list? He's like, yeah. He's like, when I go to church or when I do something, because he doesn't leave the house very often, he's like, I just put that on the steering wheel and I know when I come outside from going to church that I've got to get ammo. And I looked at him and I was just like laughing my butt off. Laughing so hard that I was almost losing an eyelash because I was like, that's it? That's all you getting? Ammo? He's like, yeah. I'm like, okay. Usually somebody's got a couple things on their list, you know, get bread, get milk, get this. He's like, no, just ammo. All right. So I've taken everything out of the box and I'm not really sure why this stick is here. Like, I'm guessing maybe I'll find out. Alrighty. Now we have got 2 products by Earth Harbor. And it looks like it might be stuff I've gotten before. So let's check this out. We've got the Earth Harbor Laguna Replenishing. See, this is like, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but this is like dirty because of those black squigglies they put in here. It's a replenishing body serum. All right. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it has a value of $26. It promotes feelings of skin respiration and intercellular energy while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to your sweet skin. I just love how they do stuff. They word these things. Okay, so here it is. It's a glass jar. Scent is okay. It's a very watery type serum. So really it's for moisturization. It's just a serum and it's not an actual moisturizer because it's not a cream. Alright, so definitely can use that. I like oils. Let's see. We have got the Aurora Earth Harbor Superfood Luminance Ampoule. I have this already, and I believe I got it. Well, actually, I can't remember which subscription box I got it. But yeah, I absolutely have the same thing right here. So I'm going to save this, but I'll go ahead and open the one that I have. It has a $32 value. Wow. Okay. And I have yet to try this. It's, again, a very watery looking like serum. it smells like it's from the earth, like it's nature almost. So it's not like a great smell or anything, but it's not like bad. It's just, it's a serum. Okay, let's see what else we got. What is Gypsy Soul Organics? Ooh, I like it when we get organic stuff. Gypsy Soul Organics Face Toner Cactus Flower, $30 value. A refreshing and hydrating formula that purifies, detoxifies, and tones your skin. 100% organic and can be used over makeup to keep skin hydrated. What? It's not often you find something that says it's a toner that you can put over makeup. Let's check out the spray thing here. Again, it smells like earth, basically. Shake generously, mist face as desired, use daily. It's got rose water in it. Okay, so not bad. I mean, you can actually, it's got rose water. You can actually use this to spray your brush for your eyeshadow if you wanted to wet it. That's what I used to use rose water for, so I'm thinking that you could do the same thing. Okay, besides the fact that it's for a mist. What else do I have? I've got Ouai Neon Lipstick Balm. Moisturizing with a hint of shine, a tinted balm to smoothen shape for the ultimate pout. Coconut infused. Formulated for everyone at every age and any skin tone. Really? Because that's a big promise right there. Okay. Oh, no. No, it's not. This is, no. Not for every skin tone. You lied. Okay, there it is there. It's pretty. It's definitely more like a balm. It doesn't have pigment properties like a lipstick would. So I can see where they're getting that, but $17 and I don't like the color. So that's not something that would look good on me. So no. But that's okay, because I'm sure I'll find someone that'll want it. And what do we got? 2 things left. Ooh, sugar wax. Natural hair removal. Have you guys heard of sugaring? Sugaring is supposed to be a newer method of hair removal, and you can make your own recipe at home. I've seen a lot of that. I've wanted to try it. Basically removes hair easier, and you don't have to worry about, you know, burning your leg or anything like that with wax. So, or any part that you wax. But anyhow, so I'm excited to try this. This one says it has a value of $10. Ooh, it smells pretty good. It's definitely a dark wax that looks like honey to me. A perfect hair removal solution for sensitive skin and all hair types with salon results with no heat strips needed. 3 natural ingredients: pure cane sugar, distilled water, and lemon juice. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I definitely, if it helps and you don't have to worry about wax, I'm in it. Okay, so that's what the stick is for. All right, so we figured that out. The last thing I see is Catherine Natural Cosmetics. Eyeshadow palette, $28. Where spreading kindness can happen at the blink of an eye. I'd love to see more of it. Being kind is a lifestyle, and we think this eyeshadow palette is the best addition to your kind spirit. Aw, I wish everyone had a kind spirit. Ooh, it's got a mirror, and look. This is actually pretty decent packaging. It's got, ooh, like a metallic, a glitter. Ooh, let's swatch these. Oh my goodness. And ooh, they feel good. Oh wow. Okay, that one was a little crumbly, but I really did dig in. So let's see. Look at the pigment. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So let's go with the last 3 colors here. Ooh. Wow. Oh my. I did not expect this to produce that. Okay. Oh my. Guys, that's insane. Okay, so this here, the glitter, blend it out a little bit. Not bad though. I'm quite shocked. Do you guys want to see a look with this? This was a great box, getting us ready for summer with the sugar wax. The lip balm, but the skincare items, I mean, like, I'll definitely use this, and I'll definitely try out this Gypsy product here, this spray. But most likely I'm going to try it without having makeup on. I got more of the Superfood stuff, so I'll probably end up giving that to someone. And this palette, I'm excited to try it. What do you guys think? I think this box was great. Definitely worth it. Value $143 for $25. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wouldn't mind commenting down below, let me know how you're doing, if you're ready for summer. And some of the other videos that I'm getting ready to put out are more makeup tutorials because you asked for them, announcing winners for Jeffree's mascara and the mystery box. I have either the Orgy palette or the Bloodlust palette, so I'm going to be announcing all of those winners. So stay tuned. I will see you guys really soon.